How to make her see me as the only man in her life.
Well, you got to be her best option, and that really is how you're showing up. And are you displaying your most attractive side? If you're getting together with her and you're displaying all kinds of unattractive behavior, then you're never going to send her emotions and her feelings into the stratosphere where she falls head over heels in love and only wants to be with you. I mean, if you're following what's in my book, the woman should be in love with you by week 6 or week 7, typically. And if you're 6 months down the road with a woman and she's not head over heels in love with you, and you're not spending just about every moment that you're not working together, then I mean I've talked to guys that have been dating women for a year or two and they're still getting together like once or twice a week, and they're not really doing a lot of holiday stuff together, and it's more of like a friends with benefits kind of relationship, and the woman's not in love with them, and but they're thinking, hey, well, because we're dating and we're hooking up every week, that she loves me. But the reality is it's in the book. There are certain things women do when they're in love with you versus when they have low interest in you. And if you're doing things right as the weeks go by, she's going to want to spend more and more time with you. And if as the weeks go by, she's spending less and less time with you or the same amount of time, and she doesn't want to spend more time than, and assuming she's a normal, healthy woman, then you have an attraction issue there. And that's where the book can help you self diagnose what things you may be doing or saying that's turning her off and getting in the way of her attraction growing to where she wants to be with you more.
Or she maybe just be unsure of, like you said, like of your actions. Some people, maybe he's not acting as he should to show her that he wants her to only be with him.
Yeah, like I see cases where the guy's like, yeah, she does almost 100% of the calling, texting, and pursuing, and yet when they get together on a date or they spend time together, it's the things he's doing and saying, like just being together with a woman that's doing all the pursuing, but you let her walk all over you and disrespect you and jerk you around, cancel dates at the last minute, those kinds of things, and yet you keep calling, you keep texting, and you keep getting jerked around. The greatest gift you can give anybody is a gift of your time, and if somebody values it and appreciates it, they can get more of it. But if they don't appreciate it, then you give them the gift of missing you, and sometimes you might have to give them the gift of missing you permanently if they refuse to treat you how you want to be treated, or maybe they're abusive, or maybe you just made so many mistakes that she's just turned off and there's no coming back from it. So you got to see reality as it is, but if you know what's in the book and you're dealing with a normal, healthy woman, she should be becoming more interested over time. And if she's not, and she's a healthy, normal woman, then obviously it's your approach.
The courtship never ends.
Yep. But, just because you're handsome and you're successful and you're rich, if you go out on a date and you act like a bitch, women are going to treat you like a bitch. If you become a doormat and you let her walk all over you and jerk you around, then she's not going to respect you. And if a woman doesn't respect you, she's not going to love you and never want to have a relationship or a family with you. Women don't care about what a great dude you are or how good you look on paper. They only care about how they feel about you. It's the only thing that matters.